Hello and welcome to this video in which we're gonna talk about 25 best small business ideas you can start in 2022. There are numerous advantages to starting a small business, including a more flexible work schedule, the opportunity to accomplish something you enjoy, and the ability to manage your own future. However, you'll need a concept before you can start a profitable little business. Ideally, you'll come up with a small company idea that not only makes sense, but also excites you and allows you to put your skills, talents, and experience to good use. Don't worry if you don't have a lot of money to put into your new firm. Here are 25 low-cost or no-cost investment company ideas. But before started, make sure you're subscribed to the channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to miss any new video. 1. Dropshipping. Dropshipping is the practice of selling items online without having to buy them in advance, keep inventory, or transport orders to customers. Your dropshipping supplier, on the other hand, takes care of these details for you. Start dropshipping with Oberlin today, it's completely free. 2. Social media administration. If you enjoy social media and spend a lot of time developing material, why not turn your hobby into a business by offering social media marketing services? To get your first client, do some research and then reach out to area businesses. 3. Print on demand is a third option. Print on demand is similar to drop shipping, with the exception that you can offer things with your own designs. Your supplier will print your design and mail the product to the buyer for you after you receive an order. Shopify is a great place to start. 4. Meal preparation and preparing for individuals. Is one of your loves preparing food? Do you enjoy using food to express yourself? Many folks lack the time or expertise necessary to prepare delicious, nutritious, and fresh food. Why not establish a small catering business for them? 5. Writing is one of the most adaptable small business concepts available. Starting a writing business can take various forms, ranging from blogging and sales copy to journalism and technical writing. Start by looking at prominent freelance copywriting job boards like Freelance Writing, Blogging Pro, Pro Blogger. 6. Career guidance. Have you had a successful professional life? Do you have any ideas on how to help people advance in their careers? If that's the case, have a look at this tiny business concept. Begin by contacting people in your network to see if they know of anyone who could be interested in your services. 7. Make travel arrangements. Do you have a knack for planning trips? Consider becoming a travel planner if you know how to put together an amazing schedule and where to find the best discounts online. If this sounds appealing, do some additional research using Google Flights, Booking.com, and Roadtrippers. 8. Wellness and health coaching. Do you enjoy living a healthy way of life? If that's the case, why not share your enthusiasm? Many people desire someone to assist them in improving their health and well-being. Begin by contacting people in your personal network. 9. Editing and proofreading. Are you a stickler for details? Do you have a passion for words and grammar? A proofreader and editor work with every writer to ensure that each article, book, or dissertation is flawless. Clients can be found on sites such as People Per Hour, Fiverr, and Upwork. 10. Dating guidance. Do you have a knack for making new relationships with people? Do you know how to get the best out of people? Many great people around the world may require your assistance in finding their true love. 11th, translation. Why not offer freelance translators if you're multilingual or polyglot? To understand more, take a look at these freelancing translation marketplaces: TranslatorsBase, ProTranslating, Django, SDL, screenshot below. Home-based small business ideas. Consider beginning one of these innovative small company ideas from home if you wish to spend more time at home. This area also offers several tiny internet business ideas. 12. Online shopping. Selling things online is easier than ever before with services like Shopify, Handshake, and Oberlo, whether you're starting a clothing boutique or selling sports equipment. Why not create an e-commerce business? Hobbies and interests. 13. Web design is number 13. Do you enjoy creating new websites? Do you spend a lot of time playing with website themes and plugins? If that's the case, consider developing websites for the others. To get your initial clientele, reach out to local businesses. 14. Flipping websites. You could start flipping websites if you appreciate both business and web creation. This is the process of purchasing potentially profitable websites, improving them, and then reselling them for a profit. To discover more, visit Shopify's Exchange Marketplace. 15. Image or video retouching. Do you love using Photoshop to alter photos? Maybe you enjoy editing videos in Final Cut Pro. Many families and businesses require your assistance in improving their family photos, as well as their business and marketing materials. To learn more, do some online investigation. 16. Web design and development. Skills in web development are in high demand. Consider being a freelance developer if you enjoy developing apps, coding, or designing user interfaces. To discover your first client, go to sites like Stack Overflow, gun.io, or GitHub Jobs. 17. Blogging. Do you have a hobby or a love for which you could write constantly? You may start a blog about travel, music, business, or personal finance and generate money with affiliate marketing or Google display ads. Graphic designing, number 18. One of the most innovative small company ideas is graphic design. Use your talents to generate materials for businesses, events, and other purposes. Use a design-related job board like Authentic Jobs or Dribbble to find your first customer. 19. Advising. This small startup concept allows you to put your skills and experience to good use. You can help others navigate a process you've mastered, whether you provide business, decluttering, or fashion advising services. 20. Making furniture. Consider starting a small business based on your passion for creating unusual and beautiful furniture. Shopify is a great place to start selling your items. 21. Crafting. Knitwear, wicker, needlepoint, jewelry, and ceramics are examples of handmade things that could be sold online. Handmade products are valued for their originality and high quality by many individuals. 22. Writing a resume. Many people lack the time, expertise, or conviction to write a good resume on their own. Beginning this small business from home if you have competence producing employment resumes or have previously recruited a large number of employees. To find your first client, go to sites like Upwork and Freelancer.